Welcome to the Score Simulator. This product allows you to make changes in your credit file by either setting a target score or by changing credit accounts manually. You are able to get the results you need from each credit bureau individually. Start by selecting the credit bureau you would like to simulate. For this example, I will be using the Equifax credit report data. This customer currently has a 635 Equifax score and estimated point deductions of 97. I will enter a target score of 680 and click Run. On the results page, the simulator lists the most efficient recommendations to reach your designated target score. In some cases, there will be credit recommendations that request you to use your credit line in order to gain some points. Sometimes you may even have to have a creditor report your high credit. These type of recommendations are calculated first before the pay down approach in order to save you the most amount of money possible. In this example, the customer has higher account balances than recommended. But rather than just requiring the balances to be paid in full, the simulator will recommend a healthier credit to balance ratio. Below, the simulator alerts you of the total points recovered and the total cost to acquire these points. Next, you see your new score and whether you are able to reach your target score. Here you may choose to save your scenario or reset the data to its original state. In this example, the target score was met with a possible increase of 45 points. I'm going to hit the reset button and show you another scenario. Here's another example. Now this customer wants to reach a 720 score, so I will enter 720 and click Run to see the new results. The results show by using First Premier Bank, requesting Credit One Bank to report their high credit, paying $174 on HSBC, by paying $410 on Public Savings, and then paying $830 on Capital One, the customer will increase their credit score 85 points, achieving their goal. This is the manual simulator. It is not necessary to have a credit score in our simulator to determine how many points you can recover. This form is laid out in 6 different sections: open and closed derogatory, open and closed good standings, collections, and public records. The open and closed derogatory will allow you to change the credit limit, the balance, the rating, as well as closing or deleting the account from the credit file. The good standings will allow you to change your high credit, balance, simulate what would happen if you missed a payment, or close the account. Sometimes you have a closed revolving account with a balance, high credit mistakes, or both. You have the ability to make the changes and change the status to see how many points you may gain or lose. You can see how many points you can recover by manually adjusting credit data. For example, by entering the high credit on Credit One Bank to $1,000, entering the high credit on HSBC to $1,500, and paying $200 to both Capital One and Public Savings, a total of only $400, then by clicking the Calculate My Deductions, you will be able to see how many points you may recover. The results page shows you will likely increase your score by 61 points. The collection section is very important. There is a major difference in paying on an account or having it deleted. You can mark the deleted box and calculate the points you may recover, and you can find out how many points you may lose by paying on the account. The public records section will allow you to know how many points you can recover by having it deleted. Notice the 2 collection accounts, one for $75 and the other for $32, both with 0-point deductions. Paying on both collection accounts, whether it be $1 or in this case a 0 balance, and clicking the Calculate My Deductions button, you'll be able to see if your score will increase. In this example, by paying the collection accounts, you will likely decrease your score by 45 points. You can modify as many credit accounts as you like to come up with the best plan of action to increase your score as fast as possible.